Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Trends today. I'm Abid Hussein, and today we're diving into one of the most thrilling supercars ever built, the Ferrari 488 Pista. If you're a fan of speed, precision, and Italian engineering at its finest, you're in for a treat. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this beast on wheels. The Ferrari 488 Pista, which means track in Italian, is the track-focused version of the 488 GTB. It was unveiled at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show and quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts and collectors. This car isn't just about looks, it's a performance monster designed to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Under the hood, the 488 Pista packs a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque. That's 50 more horsepower than the standard 488 GTB, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.85 seconds and a top speed of 211 miles per hour. This car is all about delivering adrenaline-pumping performance. But it's not just about raw power. The 488 Pista is packed with advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials to enhance its performance. Ferrari used carbon fiber extensively, shedding 198 pounds compared to the 488 GTB. The result, a car that's not only faster but also more agile and responsive. On the track, the 488 Pista is a dream. It features Ferrari's side slip angle control system, which helps even amateur drivers feel like pros. The car's aerodynamics are designed to maximize downforce, ensuring it stays glued to the road even at high speeds. And let's not forget the exhaust note. That roaring V8 sound is pure music to any car lover's ears. Design-wise, the 488 Pista is a head-turner. Its aggressive styling, with sharp lines and aerodynamic enhancements, screams speed and sophistication. The S-duct at the front, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One cars, not only looks stunning but also improves airflow and cooling. So, there you have it, the Ferrari 488 Pista, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan or just someone who appreciates incredible cars, the 488 Pista is a true icon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Trends today for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, keep chasing those trends.